y'all, welcome back to my last and final college series. So obviously I'm graduating and I'm gonna have to clean up my dorm room. I live 3.5 hours away from the school that I went to, the school that I graduated from. So I have to take out all of this stuff before graduation. So let's get started. So of course, when you're cleaning out things, when you're about to move, you have to gather the trash. So that's what I did. And then I took out the bad food / the perishable foods that were in the freezer and the refrigerator. Like I said, my hometown is 3.5 hours away from the school that I graduated from. So it's not ideal to transport frozen foods. The next thing I did was, of course, I washed my dishes. That's pretty much self-explanatory. I'm taking some of my canned foods over to the clubhouse because my school has a food pantry. They're accepting donations because y'all know people are packing up, moving out, and some people don't want to take all their food with them. I'm taking my food because I'm going home and we got food at the house. Some of this stuff is just stuff that my parents don't eat. So this is what the refrigerator looked like after I had cleaned out some of the stuff. I hadn't completely cleaned it out yet, but of course I had to clean it out because I was not trying to get charged for that. I got one more day, like half a day, and then the rest of tomorrow. Graduation isn't until 6:00 p.m. So maybe I want to cook some. I don't know. This is what the pantry is looking like. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all these odds and ends at this home because the PB fit is fire. I have a lot of things that are like prone to opening, things that I have opened and used already. I got this whole 5-pound bag of sugar. This is what the kitchen is looking like. For all these dry, I'm gonna go ahead and put them in their respective containers. You know, it's just a lot of odds and ends before things are actually being cleaned up. The last major thing I have to clean up is my spices. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I might just close them up and put them all in a plastic bag. After I finish, I'm gonna do a wipe down. I'm just wipe everything down so I get freaking charged for it. So I have my silverware, my air fryer. I have the boxes for all of this, so I don't need to worry about that. I can put anything else in any other boxes. So now I'm packing up my air fryer. All the odds and ends that y'all saw on the counter, I was pretty much getting rid of. I'm putting my blender cups back in the box, and now I am wiping down the counters because again, I was not trying to get charged for it. So the next thing I did was take out my spices. So that's what the spice cabinet was looking like after I was finished. So at this point, I'm doing a final wipe down of the kitchen. You already saw that the refrigerator is clean. Everything is taken out of the cabinets. All of my Tupperware, all of my glassware, all of my cookware are in their respective containers. And at this point, like I said, it's the day before graduation. So it was a Friday. And I would not be using that kitchen ever again after that day, because after that, we would be making that trip. We would be going to graduation, and then that morning we would be going home. So as y'all saw, my room was looking like a complete horror movie, and on top of that, I had to pack. So I'm starting with my drawers first. I should have started packing sooner, but I didn't. I'm not gonna lie, I'm running out of gas. I sat down and I ate a little bit, and I took some stuff out of my drawers, so my drawers are clear. I think I have a whole lot left. I'm just gonna do some stuff off camera and then come back when there is less chaos around me. So that's the progress that I made. It doesn't look like there was a lot of improvement made, but trust me, there was a lot. So I took a lot of my clothes out of my closet. I only have a few things left. At the end, I ended up just leaving like my makeup bag in there. You can see that lotion, you know, things that I would have to use immediately that day or the next day. So like underwear and stuff for the next day. And I also left my graduation dress, my gown, my stole, and my cap in the closet for the next day. My room is looking like I still haven't cleaned up like I should, but I have my tote right there, my bedding, everything is gone out of the drawer, and my refrigerator. That's basically it. I have to wash some dishes in the sink. It's like 3 things. So I kid you not, this is right after I've had dinner with my family, right after I walked across the stage, all that. And at the end of the day, I had to come back here and clean up. You can see I'm still vacuuming, still packing up my stuff. I'm so mad at myself for waiting the day before makeup. This is the night of graduation. I'm done. I'm graduated from school now. I'm no longer in college, and I'm super duper happy about that, and I'm never gonna live in campus housing again. This video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.